Hi guys, welcome to LAPED Academy and to the wonderful world of sugar. Today I want to show you how to create an amazing cake with our products. In a few minutes, are you ready? Let's zoom in on the recipe. Today we're gonna see how to make a fruit tart in a modern way. Let's see what we need as ingredients. As ingredients for making our fruit tarts in the modern way, we need some tarts, of course. For the custard cream, we need the Star Cream Classic custard cream. We need some milk. For glazing the fruits, we need the neutral mirror glaze. For the glazing of the raspberry mousse, we need the Mamma Mia. We need some water and colors. Then for the mousse, we need the raspberry mousse, we need the milk, and we need whipped cream. Let's check it out how to make it. For making our custard cream, we have to take Star Cream Classic powder, cold milk from refrigerator, and we have to beat in a planetary machine for about 3 minutes. To make our raspberry mousse, what we have to do is to take a raspberry mousse powder, put into the milk, then mix gently, and then in one shot add the whipped cream. Then, once we finish, we are going to fill them up silicone molds in sphere shape, and we're gonna freeze it. To create our glaze made with Mamma Mia, we have just to mix all together the ingredients, Mamma Mia and water and colors, blend them with a hand blender and bring up to the boil, and our glaze will be ready. Let's build the cake. We are ready, we have almost everything. We got the raspberry mousse, the Mamma Mia glaze, the custard cream, some fruits for decorations, and then we have the tart. Before to show you how to build the cake, we're gonna start with a little bit dolomiti right here on the top. What we have, thanks to the dolomiti performances, we are going to create a barrier between the tarts and the humidity from the custard cream. So you are going to keep your tarts very crunchy for the entire day and maybe more. So let's build the cake. As you can see, we create our tarts with the fruit in a modern way in a very short time. I love it. Well, our cake is done. I hope you appreciate it and you have fun. And don't forget, our products are 100% made in Italy. Stay tuned for more rock and roll. Ciao!